Hi Pratik, wish you a very very happy birthday and a great year ahead. Lots of love to you.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Pratik.
हाय प्रतीक, हैप्पी बर्थडे जाने मन। होप कर रहा हूँ कि तू छुट्टी लिया होगा कम से कम अपने बर्थडे पे।
Hey Pratik, happy birthday.
हेलो, विश यू ए वेरी हैप्पी एंड हेल्दी बर्थडे। तो इन्जॉय करो, मस्ती करो और लॉकडाउन में ज़्यादा बाहर मत निकला करो।
Hey Pratik, hi यार, हैप्पी बर्थडे मैम। तो फॉलो जल्दी बच्चा पैदा करो।
Hey Pratik, happy birthday dude.
Hey Pratik, hi, happy birthday. Many many happy returns of the day. May you have a great year ahead and
Okay.
Happy birthday, Pratik. May Santoshi Mata bless you. We are really blessed to have you as our son-in-law. God bless you. Jai Santoshi Mata ji ki.
Happy birthday, Pratik. Wish you all the best and wish you all the happiness and success throughout your life. And you have a very healthy and prosperous life. Thank you.
Happy birthday once again and God bless both of you. Jai Santoshi Mata.
Hi, happy birthday, Pratik. This video is specially for you because your wife Namita has done such a sweet gesture asking all your friends to say nice things about you, which is such a tough task because there are not too many nice things about you. Just kidding.
hi PS,
Hi PS, many happy returns of the day.
happy birthday.
Hi Pratik, wish you a very very happy birthday.
Happy birthday भैया। ये विश मेरी और ऋत्विक हम दोनों की तरफ से है बिकॉज एज यूजुअल ऋत्विक इज वेरी बिजी टुडे।
बेटा, आप जिंदगी में खूब तरक्की करें, आगे बढ़िए, यही हमारा भगवान से प्रार्थना है मेरा प्यारा बेटा।
Many happy return of the day, beta. We always pray to God for your success, good health, longevity and happiness.
Happy birthday, Bhaiya. I've always looked up to you, and it has been great knowing that there has been someone who has been looking out for me. So I hope that it continues for a very long time. Hope that you have a blast of a year, whatever's left of it anyway.
Hi Gillu.
Hi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. See what we have made for you.
Chalo, we blow the candle, Vyan.
Blow the candle, Vyan. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Gillu. Happy birthday to you. Vyan. किसका बर्थडे? सीधे Say happy birthday Gillu chacha.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Gillu chacha. Happy birthday. Hi Gillu.
Wish you a very happy and healthy birthday. Enjoy your day. Stay safe.
हाय गिल्लू, एक बार फिर से जन्मदिन की बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं, मुबारकबाद। मस्ती करो, एंजॉय करो और चाय वाय थोड़ा कम पिया करो।
हेलो प्रतीक, जीवन में तुम बहुत तरक्की करो, हमेशा सफल हो, भगवान तुम्हें दुनिया की सब खुशी दे, यही हमारी दुआएं और आशीर्वाद। हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर प्रतीक।
Dear Pratik, happy birthday.
Hi Pratik, happy birthday. May you have a good year ahead, especially in this Corona season.
Hi Pratik. I'm sorry, I have to open this, otherwise you will not know me. This is it. Couldn't resist myself saying doing a video for you to wish you your birthday. First and foremost, a very happy birthday to you, Pratik. Stay safe. Most importantly, Corona is all around. बहुत मजे करो, बहुत enjoy करो. I have not interacted with you much, but probably if I'm not wrong, we met couple of times when you were in Calcutta, 1 or 2 times. You're very humble. That's the most important thing I'll tell you about you. And I would request you to stay the way you are right now. And जल्दी से एक बार Calcutta आ जाओ. We'll have a blast. All the best for your future. Bye bye. Take care.
Hi Pratik, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pratik.
जब ख़त्म हो जाएगा तो होपफुली मिलेंगे और आंखों ही आंखों से बात करेंगे। मुझे पता है तू बोलता है कम, आंखों से एक्सप्रेशन ज़्यादा दिखाता है। कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
One word to describe you, I'll say one word which reminds of you is tututu tututara. Back from the school days, you had performed on an act. I hope you remember it. Bye, take care.
I remember when Nams had just met you, she told us that, you know what, I have met this really amazing and a really nice guy, पर वो WhatsApp पे ज़्यादा बात करता है and face to face कम बात करता है. But I think few things have remained the same, but you guys have come a long way and you're the best thing that has happened to Nams, and you're the most fun addition to our little family also. So have a great day and happy birthday again.
You know, you're really cool in your own kind of way. Just keep being awesome, man. Have a great birthday.
What I really like about you is that you have immense curiosity. I think your best friend is Google. You always go to Google, you know, if you need answer to anything. And you're more fun when you're drunk. And I can never forget this.
One word to describe Pratik as affectionate.
Your wife has asked for one word to describe you in, and I would say you were बहुत पढ़ाकू, but very chill, very good as a person. So we all love you. May you have a great year ahead. Thank you. Bye bye.
One word to describe you is generous, and बाकी I think भाभी and your friends know better. चलो party hard, take care, health का ध्यान रखो. You know what I mean. Okay, चलो bye bye.
Pratik, since school for me has been somebody who, you know, who's always helped me like academically and stuff. And I don't know, like I think with Pratik was the only guy I got a free pass to hang with, who was a boy, and like my parents didn't have a problem hang out with because they thought like ठीक है बड़ा सुशील लड़का है, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा मेरी एक बच्ची को इसके साथ. And even though we lost touch in not undergrad so much, so in like I think masters, but he's somebody I think I can always count on for advice, and we've like had our on and offs, but we all know he's a prodigy, and I love him so much, and he's amazing, he's humble, and I'm so happy to have him in my life. And yeah, this is for you, Pratik. Happy birthday. Hope you have a good one. I'm drinking on your behalf one day before. I'll also drink tomorrow if you want me to. Yeah, but one word for Pratik is he's the real guru, guys. Like, he knows his jam. Like, he's not just he's the most spoiled one amongst all of us. Like, I'm telling you. Yeah, he's the one who, yeah, whatever. Okay, bye. Love you.
इतना सारा जो तुमने इस साल नए नए स्किल सीखे नाम्स को पटाने के लिए, उसका कुछ फ़ायदा है, हो रहा है कि नहीं?
I hope हो रहा हो. जल्दी join the club. I'm waiting.
For us, you are a true mystery guy, so keep on surprising us with your good mysteries. 14 साल से तुम सरप्राइज करते आ रहे हो, so I hope ये आगे भी कंटिन्यू रहेगा. Thanks.
And the one word that comes to my mind when I think of you is obviously your name, Pratik. But there's a full form to that which is an entire embodiment of you. So so let's start. So one is P. P is for peaceful, because you're always very calm, shant, and I'm the hyper one, and you're always very calm. समझ नहीं आता है कि तुम क्या सोच रहे हो. एकदम शांत गुरु और साधु टाइप्स रहते हो. Then R is rebellious. तुम you are शांत, but you are a rebel in your own way. तुम सिर्फ you just like listen to yourself, और तुम सिर्फ अपनी करते हो. A, you're very affectionate, because you're very affectionate towards me, and thank God for that. And T is tenacious, which means that you are very persistent, hardworking. You know, it's just amazing how you keep doing night outs and all. It's just like unbelievable. E is enigmatic because you're like an enigma. I think I'll take my entire lifetime to figure you out completely. And again, another E is for eccentric because you are obviously also very eccentric. And K is knowledgeable. You're very knowledgeable. So I think it's the perfect name and the perfect full form for all of your different parts of your personality. And wish you a very, very happy birthday and a great year ahead and lots of great years, obviously, with me. And you're obviously very, very lucky to have me as your wife. Lots of love.
So the word for you from me is Nazi, always correcting me, चाहे वो English हो, चाहे वो मेरे पहले की statements हो, या चाहे मेरे कुछ facts हो, या मेरे कुछ भी मैंने बोला हो, तो my word is you, Nazi. Now you tell.
For me, Pratik is my partner in crime in last 4 months. Or every Saturday we sit and criticize our respective wives.
Yeah, don't worry, we'll take you accountable for that. Happy birthday, have a great day, great year, and have a great fun with your computer like every day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pratik.
Have fun, dude. Enjoy. Wish you a very successful and happy upcoming year. US का प्लान बना, इधर आजा, और इधर उधर ट्रिप मारता रहता है, ईस्ट कोस्ट पे घूमने आजा. Hopefully we'll see you soon. Bye. Take care.
One word to describe you, I would say resourceful supplier, as you used to supply us with all the necessary information and notes and educational CDs in school. So yeah, have fun, man, on this day, and treat us when you meet us. Okay, that rhymes. Yeah, and take your work light, man. Yeah, enjoy. Bye.
I remember you as a very studious and bookworm kind of a person. Wish you a very great year ahead. Stay safe.
One word to describe you by would be backpacker.